What if you could harvest a crop in just 25 to 30 days, completely organic? Yes, radish makes it possible. Let's quickly understand how to grow radish the right way. Radish, scientifically called Raphanus sativus, is a fast-growing root crop ideal for small farmers who want quick returns. It grows best in loose, sandy loam soil rich in organic matter with a pH between 6 and 7. The ideal temperature is 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Too much heat can make the roots woody and pungent. Use certified organic seeds and sow them directly on raised beds. Keep spacing of 10 centimeters between plants and 30 centimeters between rows. For regular income, sow every 10 to 15 days. Before sowing, apply well-decomposed compost or farmyard manure. Water lightly and regularly. Avoid waterlogging. For pests, neem oil spray works well in organic farming. Harvest in 25 to 40 days when roots are tender. Delaying harvest can reduce quality and market price. Short duration, low input cost, and quick cash flow, radish is a smart crop choice. Follow Discover Agriculture for more practical farming insights. See you in the next video.